take a quick walk around to give you some insight. It's got bicycles, mopeds, scooters, police bikes, outboard engines, the old 1917 Dart, which you're going to be seeing here, 1930 Model A engine, and a collection that is incredible. It's got the DeLorean, it's got the 1937 Cord, which is a very rare car. Very cool looking car. So if you get a chance, come up to Don Laughlin's Car Museum at the Riverside. You even have the All-American Soapbox Derby car, which we actually operated and ran in Akron, Ohio. So come check it out, everybody. 3rd floor, Riverside Casino. And yes, they even had tow trucks back in those days. They did. So come follow us as we check out all these authentic cars, such as the 1915 Ford Speedster. Check it out, everybody. And follow us on Motorcycles and Poker Adventures here in Riverside, Laughlin Casino. Just a quick little rundown of these cars. The Studebaker, the 55 Ford, a rare 55 T-Bird, Star Wars C-3PO costume, 66 Mustang, Cadillac. Come check on out, everybody, at the Car Museum here at Riverside.